All right, people. Day after Halloween, I pulled everything out that was still in here that I did not use this year, which is my three Cauldron Creek people. I didn't use any of my pumpkins this year. So what that means is next year, that's probably what I'm going to do. I think I'm done like coming up with fully new themes because it's just very time consuming. It takes a lot of extra work, and then I accumulate things that I don't need. I'm actually going to have a garage sale tomorrow. So, getting rid of this. I have 2 or 3 other tubs. I've actually had a bunch of people buy stuff over the last week or so. Just small stuff, nothing crazy. This is my projects for next year pile / put away stuff. So I have in the vampire hunt, a lot of that cloth goes in here. I'm going to have a gravedigger next year. So this is my old gravedigger stuff. The boots that I already drilled the holes in, the lantern that I use. So I'm going to keep that out. I'm probably going to use the chains for next year. Those were in the shed, which with the heat, those things are kind of going bad. So I need to put those in the garage. So that's why this stuff's over here. This is my crypt moving lid mechanism, which I want to get rebuilt for next year. It's pretty much built. This metal is just not strong enough to hold up the lid. So this length already works great. So I'm just going to buy some stronger metal, put it on there, done. So hopefully that'll be good for next year. And like I said, I'll use these guys, and I'm probably going to do all my pumpkins again next year. But thought I'd share with you guys cleaning this out. All my wall panels will go here. Got to get every wall panel in here this year because I rebuilt the facade in front of the thing, and it got eaten because it was on the side. Nothing can go on the side anymore because I do not want to have to do all that rebuilding. Just not happening this year. So, but I just wanted to share that with you guys. You know, I think all of us hunters probably hear at one point or another, hey, where do you store all that? Well, the majority of my big stuff goes in this 10x10 shed. And then I used to store some things in between over here, which I'm not going to be able to do anymore. I'm going to get this cleaned out, cleared out. Maybe I'll even build a nice wall panel small shed in between there that's really nice and sealed up. That would be really great to have. I know Don and Mary made one of those for their wall panels, and it's pretty cool. So anyway, there you go. There you have it, guys. I didn't use this guy this year. I didn't use any pneumatics. Maybe next year, since I won't be rebuilding anything, I'll have my pneumatic guys out so this guy can jump up and all that good stuff. I don't think I've used these skeletons ever in a hunt. They're Buc-ee's. They're just so freaking heavy. But I don't want to get rid of them because they're freaking awesome. You know? So, alright guys, you guys know what to do. Get your hunt on.